Okay, here's a bit of an update. I've pulled the top off, pulled the motor off, and I found this. Someone bored it out and put a brass bush in there, and if you look, they didn't even put the keyway in square. It's actually out. And another thing, that clanging noise is that. Look at that. So I need a new pulley, and the armature is cactus. Okay, I'll keep this video short, otherwise it's going to take forever to upload. I'll just give you a quick look on top. It's very grotty, full of crap. This shaft's alright. It's got a tiny bit of wear. You can see, tiny bit of wear there. That's not too bad. I think it's good. A lot of crap and dirt. Alright. I'll get it back together soon.